It's been a while since we visited the Breakers Resort. If you remember back about a year ago, I had a couple videos of the demolition of an existing tower at the Breakers Resort, then the subsequent construction of a new tower. So I've waited a little while till this new building had really taken shape to, spark a visit. So here we are, oceanfront, and look at what's in the back of this building. We've got a water park. These are segments of slide on the ground, and if we zoom in, you can see, starts up on the second, third floor, I can't tell, but you go upstairs and slide down these slides. So the Breakers Resort is officially getting an indoor/outdoor water park. Here's some more of those slide segments, the enclosed pieces of slide. We got some blue ones, green ones, and a purple one over there, which is cool because you can enjoy a water park in the shade and have this view of the ocean while you're enjoying your water sports. Very cool addition to the Breakers Resort. Here's another shot. It's a little shady, it's hard to see, but the slide segments are there in place, coming along nicely. Now this additional building is not just a water park, this is also going to be their new registration building, and this is how I know. The big registration sign is out on the sidewalk at the time of this visit, and they are about to mount it, it looks like. So there you have it. There is the status of the new Breakers building. When the water park is complete, I'll go ahead and do an update and show you the back of it, since it is public city space behind the building, so I can get a good view inside. But until then, take it easy, everybody, and I'll see you next time.